Hey guys, today I came up with another vitamin challenge, and this vitamin challenge is definitely going to be a useful one, and especially during this quarantine days. And let's get into the video. So, two things I'm going to explain you, or I'm going to brief you about the importance of time. And to know the importance of time, we should follow some two things regularly in our daily basis, and especially during this quarantine days. Why I'm mentioning this quarantine days? Because we are at home, some of us are jobless, and we have enough time to spare up with for ourselves, correct? So at this point of time, we, after completing this quarantine days, I really pray to God this lockdown will end really soon. And before that, we have crossed almost 2.5 months. Some of you who's watching the video might be using the time what quarantine has given us, but few of us doesn't know how to use and how to utilize, or just don't know. We are jobless, so what kind of things we can do, or where we are lagging out, what we can do in the next days, and we were all worried about it, correct? So but though whatever it may be, worries or happiness, some of us will be happy that we are with family, so maybe things might change. The thinking might be changing according to the persons and persons to persons, correct? So at that point of time, either it may be a person who is utilizing the time or not utilizing the time. Both of us must know how we use the time and how we manage our time. This is very important in our regular basis, correct? And now we are here in this quarantine days, and we have to definitely learn at least to manage time. Time is something which is going to make you another person, or a different person, or a different life, which is taking you to the next level of life. Follow the two things which I'm going to tell today. Either you have work or not, or anything it may be, if you take a notebook, the first thing you have to do in the morning, to-do list is nothing but everything, like whatever you're going to do on the same day. If you're going out for a bank or for a grocery shopping or anything it may be, if you are going like that, you can just keep a note on it. Even if you want to drink more water on the same day, or how much liters of water, you can just notify them, and sorry, you can take a note of it, and then you can just follow it. And to-do list is for everything. If you are starting to make a to-do list of your day, you will find this 24 hours of your day is not enough for you. Am I shocking? I'm telling a shocking truth. This is very true. You will definitely find this 24 hours of the day is very less. And let's take a challenge and start doing the to-do list. And tomorrow is the day God is giving you, and another beautiful day. Thank God, and then start the day with a to-do list. Okay, so the second thing which we have to do, we have to analyze ourselves every time before we go to bed. So before we go to bed, obviously everyone will have some of their own routine, correct? Women will do like skincare routine, or someone will read books, someone might chat, someone will look, scroll the social media, something like that. But actually, before going to bed, before closing your eyes, just give a 5 minutes to replay your entire day, whether you have done whatever you wanted to do, or if you have anything kept pending which is not done, which you have marked that you will be doing today. So many things are there, so you can just put a replay. You can just value each and every time of your day. These two things are there in your regular basis, then you will definitely are the king in time managing, because you will understand where you are lagging and where you have to utilize the time, and what you can do even if you don't have anything to do. You will be starting to do something if you turn a page and if you put a pen and write a to-do list. To-do list is as simple as it is. So just start this vitamin challenge in this series. I hope this is very much helpful for all of you out there, and I want each and every one of you to try this out. And my experience on to-do list is amazing, and I'm just putting my time and managing my time and work all together. So this is how I manage my days. And sorry, I'm using my boom all the time in my videos because I don't have a proper mic with me, so I can record my voice even more clarity, even more clear using this boom mic. So that is the reason I'm holding this back, so don't mind. So I hope you all enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to try whatever the vitamin challenge I am giving for, because even if just give a try for a day, if you will be finding it very useful, and that is the only reason I'm making this video, a chance of helping you. And thank you so much for watching this video. All the one who are watching this video, thank you so much for the valuable time you are spending here. And don't forget to hit that like button if you really like the video and find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, the Outlook series. So tata, bye bye, let's meet in next video series. Until then, bye bye. I think that are we the same person? and many of us might think like, are we the same person? Yesterday so don't forget tomorrow is the day. And then you can just value and identify each and every sentence or every each and every, you just give a fraction of replay